Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Dyson V8 and disconnect it from the charger. To access the battery, locate the two screws at the back of the vacuum using your T15 Torx screwdriver. Carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery away from the body. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional screws that may be securing it. Now, let's clean the internal components before installing the new battery. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. If you need assistance or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Next, take your new battery and align it with the connectors. Push it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Now, it's time to reattach the body. Remember to check that there are no loose wires or obstructions before proceeding. Replace the screws using your T15 Torx screwdriver, tightening them without over-torquing to avoid damage. If you're unsure about the tightness, a general rule is to make them snug but not excessively tight. After securing the screws, it's a great opportunity to give your Dyson V8 a thorough inspection. Look for any cracks or damage in the body that may need attention. If you find issues that require repair, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now that the battery and body are replaced, let's test your vacuum. Plug it back in and allow it to charge fully. After charging, turn it on and check for full functionality. If it's not working properly, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. By following these steps, you have successfully replaced the body and battery of your Dyson V8. This not only enhances the performance of your vacuum but also extends its lifespan. Remember, regular maintenance and timely repairs can save you money in the long run. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.